Distracting noises, racing minds, and a life full of phones and computers can make it difficult to sleep at night and focus during the day. In fact, 2 out of 3 Americans suffer from a lack of quality sleep. If you're tired of waking up on the wrong side of the bed, relax your mind and body with the Zenergy collection from iHome. These Bluetooth speakers are designed with light and sound therapy to realign your circadian rhythm to your sleep and wake schedule. Choose between therapeutic sounds of white noise, digital recordings of natural environments, or engineered tones that mimic meditative brainwaves to experience a more focused and peaceful state of mind. Zenergy Light Therapy uses soothing red and orange-toned hues to increase melatonin and encourage sleep at night, while stimulating blue-toned and multicolored themes help you wake up and stay energized throughout the day. The Zenergy line is endorsed by Dr. Michael Bruce.
Throughout the day, your body is exposed to different wavelengths of light that help maintain your natural sleep-wake schedule. But if you have a busy day, you could actually deprive yourself of this event. The Zenergy collection simulates these light wavelengths with soothing sounds to trigger subtle biological responses that can improve your overall sleep, energy, and mood. I'm going to be recommending this to my family, to my friends, and especially my patients.
With multiple light and sound therapy modes, the Zenergy collection is for all ages and features models for both home and travel. Plus, use the convenient Zenergy app to customize your settings and daily schedules. Get the good night's sleep you deserve with the Zenergy collection from iHome. Sleep restfully. Wake energized.
My 3-year-old has always been an early riser, but when he started getting up before 5 a.m., I was desperate for more sleep.
She would come into our room between 12 and 2 a.m. every night. At first it was sweet, but then she started sleeping sideways and kicking.
This seriously has changed our lives.
The clock turns green at a preset time to let the little ones know it's okay to get out of bed.
See you when your light is green has become magic in our house.
Fantastic! My 2-year-old is in love with this little guy.
Bottom line, my son is happy learning to tell time and feeling a bit more independent.
I'm not the one telling her to stay in bed. It's the clock.
Worth the investment. Priceless.
Love our
It's
clock.
like magic.
I can't live without
They're
it.
still
Love
in bed.
the nap.
Gave me my sleep.
This is an awesome
His
product.
buggy friend has solved
This works
our middle of the
perfectly
night
to
woes.
sleep in again.
Everyone could use a little more sleep. That's why we created Hatch Baby Rest, a nightlight and sound machine controlled by your phone. Rest is designed using the latest scientific research, with hues that promote healthy circadian rhythms, and white noise proven to aid sleep. Fully customizable and programmable to your child's sleep schedule, Rest will grow with you from bassinet to big girl bed, from midnight feeding sessions with your baby to okay to wake for your toddler. Play with patterns and interchangeable designs to match your nursery. Hatch Baby Rest is reinventing bedtime to help get your family on a healthy sleep schedule. Here's to more restful nights. Meet the Hatch Baby family. Grow, listen, rest.
the Wake Me Up light. It has a dual alarm clock function, which is really useful. So you just push the button for a long time, and then when it flashes on the front, you use the plus and minus here to adjust the time, and then you press again to adjust the minutes, like that, and then press the button again to set. It's really convenient with the two. You can have one for yourself and one for your family or your children, or you can do it so you have one for weekdays and one for weekends. If you're like me and sometimes you want to stay in a warm, cozy bed, when your alarm goes off, if you press this button, then it will reset for 9 minutes. The Wake Me Up light has 7 natural sounds for the alarm. If you push the button here and push again, and you can see here, and then use the adjusting buttons here, the plus and minus, to change the sounds. So you can go through and pick your favourite one, whatever you fancy. If you press this button here once, it will go on to the FM function for the radio. If you want to change the channel, if you press for 2 seconds the plus or the minus, it will skim through and automatically find the channels. If you press it shortly, very quickly, it will adjust the volume. The Wake Up light has 7 different colours and 20 different brightness levels. So when you push the button, you can just push through, and it goes brighter to a white light, and then it goes on to the brightness level, as you can see there as well. And if you just want to use it as a night light, or you want to read a book and use it as a bedside light, then you can just adjust the level, make it brighter so you can read before you go to sleep.